In this area we are replacing the old kiddie pool with a new splash pad. We are gonna be completing this at the same time as the gunite pool. We'll be installing all synthetic turf surrounding the new splash pad. We built this splash pad for the Engineer Country Club in Roslyn, New York. There used to be a kiddie pool in this place. We removed the old kiddie pool and built a new splash pad. This made a lot more sense since there is no pumps, no electricity, no mechanical parts involved. The water is fed through just the water pressure from the water line. The water gets just used and sent to a drain, and it's also, we calculated it would be cheaper to use the water without filtering or adding chemicals and chlorine, maintaining the pump. This way it worked out to be a lot cheaper to run, and also there was no need of permits involved and health department involved, so that we built this very functional splash pad. The kids love it. It's like a little miniature water park. The floor of the pad, we use the rubberized material mixed with the resin, which makes it very hard but soft to walk on, and we surround the whole area with synthetic turf. It's a very nice and functional miniature water park. The system goes through a cycle and then shuts down, and then the kids could just hit this button and it will go through another cycle. This is the latest kind of sports court, you can call it, or miniature water park. It's for the kids to enjoy, and I'm sure even grown-ups come and make use of this. This is the latest park water feature built by Gappsi in Roslyn, New York.